guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. This is PJ, your fitness concierge.
Doses.
He is so awesome. So I cannot believe this is like 87, but we are here at Achieve Fitness and it's been a really great space, right?
Absolutely, the space is awesome.
Yeah.
We can play around. On Saturdays we play on that side in the gym. Over here we have the boxing ring, we have punching bags, yes. So it is awesome.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some boxing gloves, and so that way we can go ahead and punch these bags. I'm sure that as this class keeps growing, because I see more and more people asking, I don't know if you've noticed on the page, on Facebook page, that everybody's been asking, oh, what is that place? Where are you at? When is it? Blah, blah, blah. So I have a feeling that come the new year, we're gonna be a little bit busy, so you guys have to go ahead and get on here as soon as you can. I already put up the new schedule up to, I think, like the first week or second week of January, so go on there and register, and it's memoirsofAfatgirl.live. Today's a smaller class, so people are like, yeah.
I gotta get out, I gotta do this.
Yeah,
you always have time to exercise,
yeah.
And you always have time to get your stuff done.
Right.
Don't wait till it's exercise time to be like, oh, I gotta go here and I gotta get this and I gotta do that.
Yeah, and it's only an hour.
That's it.
It's only an hour of your life. It's really not a big deal. It's hard to do, yes, but it really is necessary. And I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop the momentum anyway. I don't care if it's the holidays. We still got to get our big asses out here to do some work.
That's right. And you can eat. You can enjoy the holidays, but you can't be gluttonous. There's a game plan.
Yeah, yeah. And come January, it is shut down seriousness going forward, because I got to get these 70-something pounds off of my body, and I'm trusting this guy because he is really good at this. So please don't forget to go on to hello@memoirsofAfatgirl.live and email me if you have any questions. But go on the site and go ahead and register, because this is going to get good and serious around here.
Absolutely.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
we'll see
be back.
you on the flip side.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Assassino.
Grande mente. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was oh my god.
Take care.
He nearly killed us, y'all. He nearly killed us. That ain't even right though. I don't even know why he's flexing. PJ, what was the plan today? Because we didn't even get a rest.
No, so the idea was using bands. People have a misnomer about bands. If you understand how the body works, if you understand what the bands can do, we had a light, we had a medium, and we had a heavy resistance, and we just kept playing with them. We used our jump ropes as a metabolic conditioner, and we started at 3 minutes, then 2 minutes, then 1 minute, and that keeps the heart rate up. Then the inchworms and the animal walks going through the animal kingdom, that helped too. But then it was 4 or 5 exercises, like a superset on the arms with the bands with different resistance. And you'd be surprised, like what people don't realize is everybody's running, everybody's biking, everybody's doing other things to get their cardio up and to burn and everything. Lift weight, add resistance to your workout. I promise you it will change that bottom line every time. We just used bands tonight. How do you feel?
Oh man.
They were like this.
Oh my god, my arms are literally tingling. They're tingling right now from the workout, and that's how I know I got a good workout in. So we will be here again on Saturday. Again, there's still time to register, so please make sure that you go on there and register. Don't miss a beat, because I'm telling you, the new year is coming and it's time to have change in our mindset and change in the way we do things. And one of those ways is to get healthy. So it's not just about careers and making, like, being the best you can be at work. It's also about, you know, helping your body to live a longer, healthier life, you know. So PJ, thank you for getting us on this journey.
Absolutely.
I mean, you've been with me since the beginning of the pandemic.
That's right.
And we just kept it rolling and kept it good. And you know what? We've been here and we are very blessed since the beginning of the pandemic, and none of us have gotten sick. None of us have, you know, been able to worry about, you know, cross-contaminating. We've been safe the whole time.
That's right.
And it's been a real great blessing to start ending the year in such a high note.
Absolutely.
So it's a good thing. We have a lot to be grateful for.
Amen.
Yeah.
And here's the thing too. Everybody approaches the new year differently.
Yeah.
Some people are those proverbial leaf turners that, at this start of January, stroke of January 1, I'm gonna be in the gym January 1st. I'm gonna go take a class, and I'm back, baby. I'm gonna lose 30 pounds in the first 2 weeks, and I'm gonna be right there. It doesn't work like that. It takes consistency. It takes work. It takes professionals and people that know what they're talking about.
Yeah.
It takes people to challenge you, to motivate you, and keep you accountable for what you're doing.
Yeah.
It is your journey, and everybody's is different. But there are some characteristics of working in a group and being accountable to the group and sharing messages and say, hey, when are you coming to the workout? Are you going to be there?
100%.
If you've been watching 88 videos, it's time to join the fray. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Yeah.
It's on you, that first step. You don't have to wait till the first of the new year. If that's your thing, come on in. Come play with us.
Yeah.
I promise you, you won't regret it.
No, you sure won't. And I'll tell you something. What he's saying is facts, because when he sent out a workout for us to do on Tuesday, and I did it, but I didn't do it 3 times. I think I did like 1.5 times. Then I thought, oh, I gotta go to laundry. Oh, I gotta go to my work. Oh, and I never got it done. But had he been there, I would have done it. I know I would have done it, because I'm somebody who needs accountability. I need somebody to encourage and push me. That's just my character. That's who I am.
We're all like that.
Yeah.
We're all
So,
like that.
I want to thank
Tonight
you guys.
was awesome.
Yeah.
You guys did great.
Thanks.
It
was
was
hard, because I was like, he's
unrelenting.
not giving us a water break, is he?
No. And that's another thing. Like, it's not saying you can't drink water, so don't take that from the workout.
Yeah.
Sip it as you go. Keep your water bottle close. Take a sip when you need it. Get right back to what you're doing.
I just realized you're not babysitting us anymore.
Nope.
That's what's happening.
Nope.
So it's a good thing. So you know what? That means the new year is just going to get better and better and better and better. And hopefully by the summer of next year, you're going to see a whole different person standing in front of this camera with you. So
Like, wait, there's half a woman there.
where is she at? Well,
Where'd she
she's
go?
gone. There's a new person here.
That's
so,
it.
And that's not just a new leaf turning. I've been saying this since March, and I've been
Yep.
keeping consistent. So
Absolutely.
I'm just going to buckle down really well after the holidays, because it's time. It's time. And so I'm 48. There is no more time. This is it. So Yeah, right? No, seriously, I have relatives that have died early from heart disease. So I don't want to be one of those, and I don't want you to be one of those. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click like and the little bell notification. Starting in January, I'm doing 30 days of all like plant-based eating, but that's just because I want to detox from a lot of stuff.
That's awesome.
And I signed up for like Misfits, which they send you like vegetables every 2 weeks from farms, local farms. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna do that journey with you guys. I'm gonna keep PJ in the loop of what I've been making and doing, so he can encourage me one way or another. Don't really eat too much of that. Maybe you should eat less of that. Because sometimes just because it's a vegetable doesn't mean it's always good for you either. Like I love potatoes, but I know that a lot of potatoes is carbs and sugar. So you have to be careful about what you do, right?
And we are going to start talking about intermittent fasting and fasting.
That's great.
And everybody has a misnomer, and it's different strokes for different folks.
Yeah.
So we'll break it down. If it's something that you're interested in, stay tuned, because we will be covering it ad nauseum.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys in a couple of days, and thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is Nina Perez of Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. I'll link all his information below. Until next time.
Fat out.